Okay, same thing. Use limits to analyze the continuity. So this is going to be the limit as x approaches 4. And we're going to do left and right simultaneously. We are finding the limit of the set of xy pairs known as f of x. It's very much like the last one. You can't compare terms that add, so you don't do step 1. Instead, you try step 2. So factoring becomes important. And it looks like 5 and 4 looks pretty good. Looks like we need the 5 to be positive, 4 to be negative. Whoa.
Yes.
Yes is good.
My bad.
Yeah, because it's positive. Thanks.
We have matching factors, which is what we wanted. Question.
On the AP test, when do you know when to do the x, which is really 4 from the left to the right, versus separately?
Oh, gotcha. So if this were an AP test, I wouldn't have written the little plus minus. And the reason I wouldn't do them separately is because it's not a piecewise function. That's not like a rule, that's just I know from experience that usually works out quite well. Does that help?
Yeah.
Sure. Please.
So with the buff paper or whatever, it was we had different.
You're good. Say again.
We had to do the plus and the minus, but so for these kinds of functions, we don't have to do plus and minus. It can be as one thing because they're not broken up.
We do have to do plus and minus. We have to. It's just that they usually turn out to be the same. So we can do them together. Whereas on the piecewise functions, they are often different. So it doesn't really make sense to try and do them together. So does that help a little? 2 more for Aubrey. Okay, cool. Here we go. If it helps, you write one more line. You don't have to write the green line. But if it helps, great. Do the limit. X approaches 4. We're checking both left and right simultaneously. Again, the green is not required. I only write it for a little bit of clarity. So, question. Cool. Raise your hand if you know what the value of this limit is.
Hold up.
Hold up is good. Thinking is good. So just don't say it, just raise your hand. Helps me kind of check the room, make sure everybody's sleeping.
9, 8, 9.
Hands is good. Hands is good. Yeah, if I just let everybody think independently, then it's a better check to make sure you're all thinking the same way. Okay, if your hand is raised, give yourself a point. Joe, what'd you get?
9 eighths.
So Joe gets 9/8. Raise your hand if you agree with Joe. 2 points, 3 for Joe. Question? Solid. We need to find f of 4 still. So we go f of 4. Hands up, please. What would that equal? F of 4. Good. Give yourself a point if your hand is raised. We'll go to Daniel.
Undefined.
Daniel says undefined. Who agrees with Daniel? Point. Daniel gets 3. Question.
You're so beautiful.
Solid. Same as the last one. You just write the conclusion now. So, what is that? Arrow works better. Just pull that out of the way. And you write the same conclusion as the last one. If you want to write the conclusion in a different order, it's fine. You can say f of x has, you can be a little bad on your grammar, they don't mind, has removable, you can be bad on your spelling, removable, Discontinuity,
Remove apple.
make sure you can, at least they can kind of tell what you're saying. So it can be spelled wrong, that's okay. Removable that looks horrible. Removable discontinuity when
Is constitutional.
X equals 4. It is important that you have the right reason, though. So make sure you say because f of 4 is not the same as the limit as x approaches 4 of this set of xy pairs known as f of x. Questions? Good focus, by the way, good focus. Cool. Let's do another one.